Hi everyone, so today we're going to make chili chicken with gravy and this is finger licking good. These are the ingredients you're going to need for the chicken. So first you're going to add your soy sauce to your chicken and make sure the chicken is thawed. Then add in your tomato chili sauce. Then add the ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste, and black pepper to taste. And then you're going to mix this by hand and make sure it is all properly mixed up. Then once everything is mixed properly, you're going to cover it and refrigerate this for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Then you're going to add in your egg, and mix it lightly. Then add in your cornflour. And then mix that till everything is well combined. Once it's properly mixed, you should see no dry cornflour remaining in the batter. That's when it's properly done. Then you're going to heat your oil, and once it's hot enough, add in your chicken and make sure to add only 6 to 7 pieces at a time. And you're going to cook each chicken piece for about 3 minutes. And make sure to keep stirring them so that nothing burns. Here you can see how it's golden brown after 3 minutes, so then you're going to set it aside in another bowl. Do this for every piece. And you're going to repeat this for all of the chicken pieces. And here all the chicken pieces are ready. And you're going to set them aside. Now these are the ingredients you're going to need for the chicken chili gravy. So first you're going to heat your oil in a vessel and add in your onion and spring onion whites. And mix that. Then add in your ginger garlic paste. Give a stir. And let that cook for about 1 minute. Then you're going to add in your capsicum and mix that in as well. Then add in your salt and make sure to not add too much because you can always add more later. And then give that a proper mix. And cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, you're going to add water to your cornflour and mix that properly so that there are no lumps. Then set it aside. After 4 minutes, uncover and give a stir. Then cover it and let it cook for 3 more minutes till the capsicum is soft. And after 3 minutes, that is how it should be. Just give a proper mix. Then you're going to switch off the flame till you add all the sauces. Then add in your tomato sauce, your red chili sauce, green chili sauce, and your soy sauce. And then give that a good mix. Then switch on the flame on low and add in your chicken broth. And mix that well. Then switch the flame to medium and let it boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to add your cornflour paste. And give it a mix. And this is going to start to thicken. Also add in your spring onion greens at this time. And mix them in, and you'll see that the gravy starts to get thick. So here you can see it is very thick. Now add in your chicken pieces. And give it a final mix. And you can also adjust the salt now if you need more. Then switch off the flame and serve it hot. It's ready to eat and it tastes amazing with rice or with bread or just about anything. Let me know how it turns out, and do check out my other videos on my channel and like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!